Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to fix your account has not been charged in Roblox. So for us to fix this one, it is important for us to know the underlying cause why this happens. Now, this is actually happening mostly because there is a system issue with Roblox. So what you can do is just simply purchase or do the purchase once again after the maintenance is done or after the issue has been fixed. Now, in order for us to know the status of the maintenance or if there is still a problem, I'm going to suggest you two things. First things first, I want you to go ahead and look for Roblox status, just like so. If you're going to type here Roblox status, I want you to go ahead and look for this one here, Roblox fresh status.io. Go ahead and click this one. So as you can see right now, Roblox is running smoothly, and yeah, as you can see, everything here is basically green. Now if you're going to head over here at the top, there are different colors and icons that is going to represent different things. For example, if it's operational, it's green. Degraded performance, it's going to be yellow. Orange if there is a partial outage, red if there's a major outage, and maintenance if it is blue. So yeah, I want you to go ahead and try to check it here. Now, another thing that I am going to suggest you is this one right here, down detector. So when you open down detector, it is going to detect websites that are having problem. Now here, go ahead and type Roblox. And then if you are going to scroll down here, you should be able to see that there are some reports being reported by people. But basically, it's only happening for this short amount of time. Right now, there aren't any, or there are just a few. Yeah, you know, like 4 reports, 8 reports. So that is definitely not an issue right now. And yeah, again, in order for you to fix this one, you're just going to simply do the purchase when there is no system issue. And yeah, that's the only thing that you can do in order for you to get this done, everybody.